Use the compass rose to identify the direction you are traveling. The compass rose is a series of 3 circles surrounded by numbers. The outer circle is to help you find true north, represented by star or 0. The inner circle points to the magnetic North Pole. At the time of chart printing, you can use a magnetic compass to navigate with the compass rose as a guide. Follow red and green buoys for navigational guides. These buoys mark water channels. The colored circle you see on a chart corresponds to the buoys you will see floating along the channel as you travel. Travel markers are numbered, making tracking your route easy. Looking for anchors to find anchoring points for boats. The anchor is a familiar symbol on charts showing waterways close to land. An anchor means you can let down your boat's anchor safely in that area. For example, an anchor point marked DW means deep water. Only deep water vessels will anchor there. Anchoring points may be labeled with numbers or descriptions to describe what kind of boats are allowed to stay there. Note rocks and other dangers circled on the map. Dangerous obstacles like rocks and shipwrecks are all circled. Some circles are dotted, meaning that the obstacles are submerged. If the lines are solid, the obstacles are at least partially above the water. Obstacles are generally represented by circles with symbols like asterisks and plus signs. There are many different symbols, and they often vary between charts. Follow arrows for the speed and direction of currents and tides. Currents are usually indicated by arrows with numbers over them. The direction of the arrows tells you which way the current moves. The number lets you know the water speed in knots. Currents and tides change all the time. Take the arrows as a prediction for the way water normally flows. Keep watch as you travel for anything out of the ordinary. Read abbreviation to identify important features in the area. Since charts have limited amount of space, map makers have to rely on abbreviation to label markers. Some letters indicate the type of seafloor. Others label landmarks like towers and government stations. Some common seafloors abbreviation includes S for sand, M for mud, and C for coral. Download a separate chart for a list of less common symbols. The full title of the chart is NOS, Chart Number 1. Symbols, abbreviations, and terms. It isn't actually a C chart, but it contains a list of all the charts symbol you may encounter. Download it from the NOAA's website or purchase a copy from a commercial chart vendor.